Every business wants more sales, but many customers leave because they can't quickly find the product they are looking for. So instead of answering the same product queries again and again, what if a WhatsApp chatbot could help customers browse your products, choose the right category, place an order, and ask all their details automatically? So that's exactly what we are building in today's tutorial. As you can already see on your screen, this entire chatbot is working live in real time. Now let's see why every product-based business should have a chatbot like this. Nowadays, customers expect quick responses and a smooth buying experience. If finding a product takes too much time, many customers simply leave the conversation. And this chatbot makes the process much easier. Customers can browse different product categories, choose the product they want, and place an order directly on WhatsApp. This saves a lot of your team's time. So whether you sell a beauty product, cosmetics, clothing, electronics, or any product, you can customize this chatbot according to your own business. So to build this chatbot, I am using Pabbly Chatflow because it allows you to create professional WhatsApp chatbots without writing a single line of code. You can build shopping support chatbot, lead generation chatbots, customer support bot, AI assistant, broadcast campaign, and much more, all from one platform. So even if you are a beginner, you can create a powerful chatbot in just few minutes. And the best part, you can build this exact chatbot using a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Customize it with your own products and categories and test it how it works for your business. Once you see how easily it handles customer conversations and order collection, you will understand why so many businesses are using WhatsApp automation. And after that, if you decide to purchase the tool, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this chatbot. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and creates an account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to come in this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new chatbot flow, you have to click on this plus add flow button, and see, this is the starting point of your flow. Name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. Here I have given. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. So at first you need to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. I am selecting the trigger event as keyword. See, keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. For adding a keyword, you need to enter the word in this wheel and press enter. Here I am adding only two keywords as hi and hello, but you can add more. Now whenever the customer will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my store. So for that, I am adding one text button from here and entering a welcome message for my customers in this enter message box as welcome to Glow Beauty Store. In this tutorial, I have created a chatbot for beauty store, but as I said earlier, you can customize it based on your own specific store by replacing the content. See, I want to add two quick buttons with this message by the name of browse product and contact store. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add button and entering the button name as browse product, selecting the button type as quick reply. After that, I am clicking on the save button, and the next button name name I am entering as contact store. After that I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this text button. See, it is connected. Now when the customer will click on this browse product button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this type of message that contains multiple types of product categories. So for that I am adding this list button from here. As you can see that this list button is divided in three parts, name is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not entering header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly entering a message in this enter body box as choose a product, browser, beauty collection and find the perfect products for your skincare routine. After that I am clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as product types. Now for adding list of types of options I am clicking on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 4 types of product categories, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added such as cleansers, serums, sunscreens and moisturizers. After that I am linking this circle which I present in front of browse product to this list node. Now when the customer will select the product category that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by sending them the product images, its price, name and one order now button. Just like this. See, as soon as I have selected the product as cleanser, that will automatically sends me the types of cleansers that are available in this store, including its price and one button. So for adding these types of message, you need to add this media button from here. Select the media type as image and upload the image of the product from your gallery by clicking on this add new image button. After that, selecting the image from here. See, the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am going to enter the name of this product in the center caption box. After that I want to add one quick button by the name of order now. Here I have added. Now I want to add one more cleanser. So for that I am clicking on this plus add content button and selecting the content type as media. After that the media type as image and again uploading the image. See, here I added only 2 types of cleansers, but you can add more. The process of adding items is the same. See, here I have successfully added both the products. After that I am linking this cleanser circle to this node. It is connected because connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here I added only 2 cleansers specifically for this product category. And now I am going to do the same for 3 more times for the serums, sunscreens and the moisturizers as well. Here I have added two products based on the each categories. See, after adding all the products, now whenever the customer will click any of these order now button, means they want to purchase any product from my store, then my bot will reply to them. But before that I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. So for that I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field by dragging this box here. After that I am selecting the contact custom field as selected product. And next in this enter value box I am going to write the same product that I have selected here. Here I have entered. See, you also have to make sure that the product you have add here is the same. You need to enter in this enter value box. After that I am linking this to this. See, now what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, selected product, contact number, address and much more. In simple terms, it is used for sending personalized message based on the customer input. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I set this contact custom field specifically for this product. Now I am going to the setup of 7 more contact custom field node for each of them also. Here I have added, see, steps are almost same. You need to understand the logic only, and you will see I have used the same contact custom field in each of these node as a selected product, but only change the value completely based on the product that I have selected here. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to the customer based on their selection. Now whenever the customer will select any product that they want to purchase, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to enter the product quantity. So for that I am adding one ask a question button from here and going to enter a question in this enter message box. As great choice, please enter the quantity required. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as quantity and the format as any. After that I am linking all these 8 contact custom field not circled to this question box, because as I already told you about this, connection plays an important role. Here it is connected. Now when the customer will enter the quantity of the product, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name, contact number and the delivery address. So for that I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added all the 3 questions and selected the contact custom fields as well. See, for the full name I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, because name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your customer for answering this question, means how many times your customer will re-answer this question. It also works like this. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but the customer will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then bot does not give any response. And for handling these types of situation, we need to increase the number of attempts for our user so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now when all these order process well done, then at last my bot will provide one customized order request receive message to the customer, and the message will be fully personalized based on their input, means it includes their provided name, their selected product, its quantity, contact number and the delivery address. So for adding this type of customized message, you need to add this text button from here. After that, enter the message in this enter message box. Here I have added as order request received thank you with dollar symbol, full name, selected product, quantity, contact number and address. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before all the contact custom fields that I have selected in each of these not, because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of the symbol automatically the customer's provided input will come. See, here in this step, whenever the customer will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will automatically captured the customer's provided name and mentioned their specific name in this place. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields that I have selected here and this dollar symbol. In real time, it is going to be delivered to your customers like this. So this is how it works. After that, I am linking this circle to this. Now the next button is contact store. Whenever the customer will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details about my store. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. After that, I am entering the contact details in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So this is how easily you can create a chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. It works for your business 24/7 even when you are unavailable. Shares the products that you are offering to your customers without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. So now I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing chatbot flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And also comment what's the next chatbot flow you want. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.